How was your meeting with Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif?
Very positive. I'm grateful to the Prime Minister for making time for me. And of course, I'm very proud of being the first Scottish Pakistani to become First Minister of Scotland. So I'm a son of the soil there in Pakistan. And we spoke about deepening our trade and investment, doing more around education, seeing if we can help more with the flood response in Pakistan, and also, of course, with climate change.
Are you looking at increasing cooperation between being the First Minister of Scotland, between Scotland and Pakistan?
Absolutely, absolutely. Scotland and Pakistan have a long history, long tradition, goes back many decades. And of course, me being in my position, I see it as not just a duty of the government, but I hope also personally a commitment to strengthen the relationship.
Many people in Pakistan looking your visit when you will go to Pakistan, and they're expecting you over there.
I will definitely be there. I will definitely be there. His Excellency the Prime Minister extended a personal invitation for me to come to Pakistan. I promised him I would come. We haven't quite nailed down the date yet, but I look forward to coming to Pakistan.
You have met each other for nearly about an hour. So what were the main topics and main areas that you discussed?
So increasing trade and investment and cooperation between Pakistan and Scotland. What more we can do on education. We've actually had a 155% increase in Pakistani students coming to Scotland. So we want to see if we can increase that further. We talked about the flood response and about climate change and wind energy and solar energy, where Scotland has quite a lot of expertise. So a lot of areas of cooperation.
Did both of you also discuss the current political situation in Pakistan?
No, we didn't discuss because really the politics of Pakistan are for the people of Pakistan and the politics of Scotland are for the people of Scotland. So we talked more about government affairs.
What's your message to Pakistanis who think they celebrated your election as a First Minister of Scotland? What would you like to say to them?
Well, first, can I thank every single one of them. I got messages from my father's hometown in the city in Mirchano, my mother's hometown in Faisalabad, the home city in Faisalabad as well, and right across Pakistan. And really it warmed my heart because I see myself, of course, as Scottish, but also Pakistani too. And I can't wait to come to visit as First Minister, to see my fatherland, my motherland, and inshallah we just work together to increase that cooperation. Thank you very much.
You have always been very proud of your cultural heritage and you have exhibited as well. How important is your cultural heritage in terms of reaching where you are today?
It's very important. You know, I've never shied away from the fact that I'm both Scottish and Pakistani. Very proud of my Muslim faith as well. These things are who we are. They're part of our identity, so we should never shy away from them.
Thank you very much.